A background video like this will immediately draw your visitors' attention, and it will also communicate your brand or product instantly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a background video in your own website without a plugin. Let me show you how. Okay, now I'm in the Gutenberg editor. The first thing you need to do is to prepare a video. My recommendation is the video should be no more than 20 seconds. If you can keep it even shorter, that's even better. And also keep the resolution to minimum because you don't want to show 4K video as a background. At the end of the day, it is a background video and there is no point of making it so high quality. In fact, the background video demo that I've shown you earlier is not even 720p. It is even lower than that, and it is fine because it is in the background. It is not the main focus of the content. So please create a video that is not very big and not very long. If you feel like the video is too big, you can use a compressor tool like freeconvert.com to compress your video even further. So anyway, assuming that you have prepared a video, it's time to start adding it as a background video. So click here and then type /cover. We're going to add this cover block, and then you can pick a video from your computer or you can pick a video from your WordPress library. I'm going to select this video and I'm going to insert it here. Okay, now the video has been inserted. Next thing I'm going to do is to make it wider. So I'm going to click on the cover and I'm going to choose full width. And let's make it a little bit bigger. And okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, if you go to the right hand side of the screen, you will see this option called focal point picker. So you can drag this point and then you can decide which area of the video should be visible. I'm going to put it slightly to the top. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now you can go to the styles and you can adjust a lot of settings here. You can adjust the opacity, you can change the color, you can change the typography, padding, margin, both radius, etc. There are plenty of things to customize, but I'm not going to change anything here, so I'm going to just paste a content that I prepared on top of this video. Copy, and I'm going to press Ctrl+V here. Alright, so that's essentially how you can add a background video in your own WordPress website without a plugin, just using a cover block. If you want to insert a video from YouTube or Vimeo, then you will need a plugin. At the moment, the cover block doesn't support such a feature, but a plugin called Advanced WordPress Backgrounds can do that. So just head to plugins, add some plugins, and then you can find this plugin and click install and also activate it on your website. And after that, you can go back to your editor and you can add a new block called AWB. So this is the block of the plugin. Click on it, and then you can essentially go to the right hand side of the screen and then click video, and you can paste the YouTube or Vimeo URL into this area and the video will be shown instantly. So let's make it bigger first. Okay, I'm going to add some content on top of this, but of course I don't want to bore you with that, so I'm going to just copy and paste content I have prepared for this video. Let's paste it here. Okay, that looks alright, except the video is probably too bright. You want to make sure that it looks a little bit darker, so this content, the text and the buttons, can still be visible. To adjust the overlay opacity of this video, you need to click on the video and then go to the right hand side of the screen again, scroll down, and on the background color, choose the color black. And on the video opacity, you want to lower it to whatever number you find it the best. So in my case, it's probably around perhaps 30 to 40. I think that's alright. So that is how you can insert a YouTube video or Vimeo video as a background in your own website. Personally, I don't like using this approach because you are basically just pulling a video from a third-party source and it will usually slow down your website significantly. So I still highly recommend using the first method, which is by just using the cover block. Most of the time, this is the best option. And not to mention that this block is so powerful, you can design a lot of things with just this block. In fact, I was able to create a cool bento grid with just the Gutenberg block. If you want to learn more about that, check out this video and I'll see you there.